Hey, what's up my fellow YouTubers? I'm so excited for this video because I'm going to show you guys how to get these big sexy curls using my new Bombay hair curling wand in rose gold. This is one of their new collections. To get these curls, I'm going to use the 32mm wand, and this is the clamp version. They do have one that is just a wand, in case you guys are wondering. Everything that you guys want to know, I will put that down in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, what you want to do is spray hair heat protectant. I forgot the name of this, but I'll put that down in the description box below for you guys. And then go ahead and brush your hair to distribute the heat protectant all over your hair. And also don't forget to put on a glove to prevent yourself from getting burned. Now take a small section of your hair and wrap that around the barrel. As you can see, I already messed up, so I went ahead and redo it again. And then after that, close the clamp and just wait for a couple of seconds. After a couple of seconds, let your hair slide down onto your hand like what I just did here, and then hold it for a couple of seconds and then let go. Okay, now that we're done with this one, take another small section of your hair and repeat the same process. Okay guys, so I'm pretty sure you guys kind of get the idea of how I curl this side of my hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and speed up the video and then I'll show you guys the other side. Now that I'm done with this side, I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm not going to brush it, comb it, touch it, or anything like that yet. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the other side first. Okay, so we're finally done. I'm just gonna go ahead and style it to my liking. I don't usually like to comb my curls or brush it afterwards when I'm done. I just like to kind of like play with it a little bit. Here, I'm taking my Kenra Dry Thickening Spray and just spraying that all over my hair. This is to give my hair some more volume and just to thicken it up a little bit so that it doesn't look so flat. Lastly, I'm taking my Kenra Super Hold Finishing Spray and just spraying that all over my hair to hold the curls and keep them in place. Now usually I don't like to spray my hair with hairspray after I'm done curling them because for some reason I find my curls last longer that way, but this hairspray has been doing a pretty good job, so I'm loving it. Okay, let's not make the same mistake that I did here. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and style it and play with it until I'm satisfied how it looks, and I pretty much complete this whole tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please give it a thumbs up. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!